Just a quick video this week, not very interesting, but I'm going to start making a handle for my knocker out bar for the lathe. So I'll start off with marking the centres on this piece of oak. Whack the centre mark with the awl and I'll mount it on the lathe in between the centres. And with the roughing gouge, knock the corners off and get it to be a cylinder. Just using a ball gouge here, I'm just going to put some shape into it now. This white oak is very dry and it's very hard. It's about here I realised that I've actually got to drill an 8mm hole through the end where the running centre is, and so it's a quick rethink. So the rethink is I'll just machine a tenon on the back end before I actually part it off and then put it in the chuck. I've just recently purchased a pair of matched sort of ring running centres and dead centres for the lathe. I've got up from Manchester. You'll see the where it lays. This is the my knockout bar, and these are the centres. They seem to be more efficient than the normal 4-prong ones. Once the chuck's mounted on the lathe, I put the piece in. And then the 8mm drill the hole. With the skew just facing up the end. Then flip it round and take off the temporary tenon. Just using a pointy tool to put a little bit of feature in it, 3 little rings. Giving it a sound, just running through these sounds. I actually start with an 80 grit, and then 150, 240, 320, 400. Flip it around, same process with the sandpaper on the other side. Well, that's the turning done. Give my old rusty knocker out bar a rub with some sandpaper to give it a nice key. Now to attach the bar to the handle, I'm just going to use some 5mm epoxy. Apply the finish. Liberal coating of boiled linseed oil. So seeing I put a new handle on it, I thought I'd better clean it up, get rid of the rust and the paint and everything else that's gone on it. Also, it's got a bit of a wobble on, and we'll give it a try and see how it works.